Hey, you two friends. I wanted to share with you my latest RC project, and this month is going to be a quad. I picked up this kit a little while back, and I just wanted to show you what comes inside of it. It's a Diatone white sheep, and it's basically a knockoff of the Team Black Sheep quad. So here it is. This is what the box looks like. Nothing's fancy. A little dusty because it's been lying around, my office, but nothing too fancy. Pretty small. I would say that it's about 5 by 14 and 2 inches deep. So it comes with the top plate and the bottom plate, and as you can see that the bottom plate has integrated PCB board, which means that you can just solder the ESC wires directly onto this, and you don't need to have complex wiring or just having all different wires over the place. So it will produce a more clean build, and I will show you in separate videos and how I'm gonna wire everything, and also how I'm gonna what pieces or what components I'm gonna be using. So anyway. It feels pretty good to me. This is not a carbon fiber frame. This is it looks like it's what's the material I'm thinking about? Glass fiberglass, or I can't remember now. It's been a while. My brain is kind of slow right now. Blame it on Halloween, but here we go. And then the top frame, this is the top frame, and this is where the screws are going to be. Well, these screws are going to be where you're going to be placing the flight controller, and it looks like these parts here are where you're going to be placing the camera. So I don't have a scale, so I'm not going to tell you how much it weighs. And this is the finished product, or this is what the finished product looks like. This is the instruction sheet. Two-sided, nothing too complicated. I think that you shouldn't have a problem assembling this kit, because it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. I've built these type of kits before, and you really don't need the instruction, but in case you do. And these are DJI style frame legs. They're pretty stiff. Not easy to bend. Looks like it's pretty good quality, pretty decent quality. I will see what happens when I start building this, but for now, they look pretty good. And you get 4 of them. These pieces look like this is the Fpv camera that mounts at the very front of the frame, and this is for mounting a camera, like for instance a Mobius or a GoPro at the front for filming. Okay, so screws, they look like hex screws, okay, which might make some people happy. These are rubber balls for the camera mounts. These look like the LED lights that come with the kit. We'll see how they work. And this is a voltage reduction board, and you can see where, if I take, here you go, this air right here, you solder this voltage reduction board right here, and then so you can power your flight controller, or you can power your camera equipment. And I believe that there is a 5-volt rail. Yep, it says 5 volts, and then there's 12 volts. Okay, 12 volts you can use to power your FPV equipment, and 5 volts you can use to power your flight controller or other equipment that uses 5 volts. And then more screws. These are the spacers between the top and bottom half. And so there you have it. This is the frame kit. Pretty good price. I think it was about $35 total, and the quality is not too bad at all. I like the power distribution board. I also like the power reduction board, and generally those things will cost you maybe $5 a piece. So overall, the value-wise, I think this is a good kit, and so I'm looking forward to putting it together, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on this build.